everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default values on your PlayStation 4, and you can completely bypass this code, the parental control, but the default code is 0000. Now, if you can't remember that, what you can do to reset the parental controls and everything else is to completely turn off your PS4 and launch it into safe mode. So hold down the PlayStation button, then go on over to power, and then go to turn off PS4. Now you want to plug in your controller with a USB to micro USB cable to operate the safe mode menu. And when your PS4 completely turns off, hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then about 10 to 15 seconds later, you will hear another beep. And that second beep will indicate that you're launching into safe mode. Locate your controller and press the PlayStation button, and this will allow you to operate the safe mode menu now. Then go on down to option number 4, restore default settings. The settings will return to the default values. Are you sure you want to continue? And go to yes, and you won't have to type in that passcode under the safe mode menu now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.